Hi guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install VPN on Amazon FireStick device. VPN is the very important privacy and you must have installed best VPN on your device. This is very simple and easy video for every FireStick user. Make sure you stay with me till the end and that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here ExpressVPN. Click on ExpressVPN. Then click on ExpressVPN app. Now click on download button to download ExpressVPN. After, after downloading VPN, click on remote home button. And again click on remote home button for 3 seconds. And click on apps. Now here you can see ExpressVPN and all FireStick applications installed. So I'm opening ExpressVPN. Now click on sign in and log in your account. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.